This peach crisp recipe slowly roasts fresh peaches beneath a simple buttery oat crust. Start by removing the peaches' sometimes tough outer layer. An easy method is to score their bottom and blanch in a pot of boiling water until the peel separates, about 30 seconds. Then immediately plunge them into ice water and peel them off. To make the crisp topping, rub 25 grams oat flour, 25 grams turbinado sugar, 10 grams rolled oats, and 25 grams cold butter between your fingers until an even crumb is formed. Then toss 225 grams peeled, pitted, and diced peaches with a tablespoon of maple syrup and a tablespoon of rum. To assemble the crisp, add a tablespoon of topping to the bottom of a 12-ounce cocotte pot. Add the peaches, cover with the remaining crisp topping, and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour. The crisp is done when the juices bubble up around the edges and the top is nicely browned. Serve warm or even better with a scoop of your favorite ice cream.